So thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a very quick video, I think. The wind has really picked up now, so we're going to see what we can see. We won't be able to go very high. We're in Calvert, which is near Steeple Claydon in Buckinghamshire. They're building a new bridge here. You can see the footers going in here. Residents have said on another video they are constant piling sounds. You can hear it now on this video, probably on this mic. This is the cement works, one of the very first HS2 films that I made. The crane is operating on the other side, so we will keep away from it. Up nice and high. 26 meters. You have a quick look to the right. Wind has dropped actually. Not rocking my t-shirt anymore. So we can fly along this tree line. See what's going on over here. Any wind warnings will bring the drone back, obviously. Can't see any cranes or anything operating in this zone. And already there we're getting the wind warning, so I'm just going to drop it down 30 meters. There isn't any cranes here, so we can a bit further along and have a look. You can see the drone is complaining about the wind, so I think we'll call it a day there. You can see the pool where they pump water on the left there. I'd promised to come and have a look down here, so as I was passing on the way home, thought we'd stop. Just have to be a nice quick video. The crane boom there. Yeah, the drone is complaining about the wind again. I'm going to drop it down. We're out the way of this anyway. You can see there the bridge is going to come in. This road is closed for a long time. Even right out of the way of the works. There's the sign there. I think that was the 8th of November. This road was closed as long as I've known it to be closed. But the road sign saying here that it's going to be closed until at least June 25. The Overbridge is being built there. And I'm pretty sure the residents will be happy because there is a very small little village here. That's the Overbridge. This is School Lane from memory. Skimming across the roof of this house. A couple of meters above there. Let's bring the drone back. The wind has picked right up again, so we'll call it a day there. I'll add this in to some of the other footage. We're going to fly along towards Steeple where the maintenance depot is going to be, but there's no point risking losing the drone. We'll just have a quick zoom in, see what else is going on down there. No actual footers or anything by the look of it alongside the lake for obvious reasons. The next bridge is probably quite a way down there. There's Calvert Lake on the left. Yeah, I'll just swing this round, grab a picture, and we'll head home. You can see the footers there, nice and zoomed in. Lots of work ongoing. The other side there. Oh, that's quite cool. Clearly, as we can see, the drone is not preventing them from operating. They cannot hear the buzz in the sky, as they claim that these are distractions, and they went to High Court. Got a court order against everybody apparently because of the drones preventing work on the site. I queried that with our lawyers, didn't have the decency to reply. So I told them, due to their non-reply, I accepted that meant that they were happy with the videos we were doing. So here we are. You can hear that. Drone isn't complaining about the wind for the moment, so just watch these at work. The residents can get an idea of what's causing that noise. The crane in operation behind there. Let's see if it's about to lift anything. I'll just sit drone there for a minute and we can see if the crane joins in. Watching the drone in the wind. The wind is moving it side to side, correcting itself and holding position. Brilliant bits of technology, if you ask me. That's what's causing your noise, residents. I'll make out what these guys are doing on the floor there. Oh, it stopped its drilling now. As it starts again, then we'll call it a day. Thanks for watching this one. Please do comment, like and subscribe. I'll try and post this on the Claydon Facebook and Steeple. If you know anywhere else you can share it, please do. Oh, I think the crane's just spun around actually. You might see something being lifted in the background. So big green panelled fence in my way, so I can't see apart from what's on the drone. You can see the drone in the sky obviously, but can't see what's going on behind this fence. That seems to be happening now, so we will finish it off there. Can't make out what the crane's doing on the screen, so we'll call it a day there. I'm going to just sweep the camera back and get a video for the picture, so for the thumbnail even. Thanks for watching.